Hi everyone. This week I'm going to be talking about mandated reporting in the state of Massachusetts. Um, so people or providers that in different professional roles that are that are considered mandated reporters are teachers, early education staff, um, anyone that works in a privately owned facility or home funded program in the state of Massachusetts for residential services, um, family child care programs, social workers, obviously, foster parents, and licensed therapists and human service professionals. And that's not an exhaustive list. Those are just some examples. Obviously, um, there's a lot more professions that are considered to be mandated reporting roles. And then almost all providers that have to work with children have to be trained in how to file a 51A. And file a report in case that need arises. And it must be filed within a timely manner within the same workday. Um, so some some things that are considered to be reportable are abuse inflicted upon a child's health or welfare, sexual abuse, neglect, including malnutrition, um, human trafficking, and physically dependent on an addictive drug, being physically dependent on an addictive drug at birth. Um, and if a person does not report in something that they believe could be suspected abuse or neglect, there's fines up to $1,000 for people who fail to report something that they're aware of. Um, and the state also emphasizes that mandated reporters are not expected to be investigators, and we're not held liable for things that we report. It's just we're just expected to report if there's any suspected instance of abuse, even if there's no proof at that time. Um, there doesn't necessarily need to be conclusive proof. It just any reasonable cause to believe that a child is being harmed. Um, and um, the state also emphasizes that the reporter shouldn't ask the person or child a lot of questions because it can cause confusion or re-traumatization, and should be left to DCF professionals and law enforcement. Um, and it also states that mandated reporters are protected under law, so if the report is made in good faith, we're protected from liability in civil or criminal action, even if the report is deemed unfounded after investigation. And the name of the reporter is not disclosed by DCF to the parents or guardians of a child who is subject of the report. So yeah, that is some information about mandated reporting in the state of Massachusetts. I hope everyone had a good week, and we're almost done. Bye, guys.